Hey guys, I just made the ultimate torture device, just wanted to show you guys. Let me change this to cut the, oh no, okay. You'll see. And it breaks, so you just hold it like this. Okay. Since you can touch the ground, I'm never gonna touch the ground again. You know how I know that? But yeah, time to launch this guy into space. Oh wait. I'm never gonna touch this guy. So I'm gonna try to keep him away from touching sides. And we're gonna whack him to death, guys. And maybe a little violent, but yeah. This person we didn't really like. Let's go. Oh no. Let's see what other games we can play. We gotta go play Happy Wheels. That was something. My brother was playing this game a little bit ago. Oh no, it wasn't that game, it was this game. Blah, 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 blah. What was that video? That was one of the weirdest videos I've seen all day. So let's just play this. So yeah. Yes, remember, subscribe. I am doing back-to-back videos. And yes, I do have an auto clicker. Sorry about this, dummy. But yeah, this was the game my brother was playing. You can apparently hold down. I know. I'm gonna lag the heck out of the sound clicker. You guys ready for it? This is how many clicks it does, right? Woo! Yeah, no, we're not gonna be playing that. I really recommend you guys go watch Imagine Dragons. See, I do too. Yeah, I would recommend to subscribe. So, let's choose a game. Oh yeah! No, not Avatar. So guys, I have found the best game for Evers. Pet Escape. So if you want to see me play Pet Escape on this channel for an entire 15 minutes, I would recommend to like and subscribe. If you want to see someone with lots of Robux, no, not lots of Robux, because right here, so right here, I don't have any Robux. That's sad. So yeah, please, you guys, please subscribe. See if you want to see Roblox or any games, because I also have Steam with that, and yeah, so you can. Hello? I wasn't sure if everything was right or not, but I guess it is. Oh, I love this game. I'm gonna click on this. This is a really good game. You guys should get Sword Art Online, Final Fantasy and stuff. I think they're really cool. I'm not gonna play it. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but I will. Please wait for it. I'll come back once this stuff is ready. So it did finally load. I'm just needing to go. I just wanted to free to play games. Let's see. I'm not exactly sure. What is this? This is creepy. Oh, that was my annoying brother. Here, want to hear a speech from my brother? A tiny speech. What did you guys do?
I love bacon. Oh, what do you love? Say that down in the comments.
Oh my goodness, my brother's little annoying poo-poo face. So I'm gonna pause this. Wanna play Guns Up, guys? Because I think... Okay, see you guys in a few. But anyway, guys, that has been another video on my YouTube channel. Sorry I didn't get through all of it today. But probably next time I upload, I will get the Steam games that you guys want me to play and put them into short videos. And I think I want to make like three of the Steam games that I have into a series for you guys. But like always, see you guys next time. Bye bye.